Welcome back. In our previous video, we learned rules for the adverb phrase. We looked at adverb phrases consisting of only an adverb head and also an adverb phrase consisting of another adverb phrase modifying the adverb head. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the phrase structure rules for the prepositional phrase. Let us get straight into it. The rule for the prepositional phrase is very simple, unlike the previous phrases that we have discussed. This is because we have just one rule that governs representing constituency in a prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase always consists of a preposition and then a noun phrase. That noun phrase functions as the object of the preposition. Let us have an example. We have in the room. Which of them is the preposition and which of them is the noun phrase? Obviously, in is the preposition and the noun phrase is the room. Therefore, whenever you have a prepositional phrase, it will always consist of a preposition followed by a noun phrase. Let us draw a tree for this prepositional phrase. What is the largest constituent? It is a prepositional phrase, so you will write PP. This PP consists of a P, a preposition, which is in. The prepositional phrase consists of the preposition in and then the noun phrase. What is the noun phrase? The room. But we cannot write the room below the noun phrase like this, the room. Rather, we need to expand this noun phrase until we reach the head of the noun phrase. This noun phrase consists of two words, that is, the determiner, the, and then the noun head, which is room. If we expand, we are going to get two branches. One will represent the determiner, that is, the, and then the other one will be the noun head. This is how to draw tree diagrams for every prepositional phrase within a larger constituent or within a sentence. Let us have another example. Within the boundaries, can you identify the constituents of this prepositional phrase? We have the preposition, that is within, and then we have our noun phrase, which is the boundaries. Let us draw a tree for it. First of all, we will have our prepositional phrase that consists of a preposition and then a noun phrase. What is our preposition? It is the word within. We write it below it. Do not create another branch and write within. If you do that, you mean that the preposition has another constituent, but we do not have that. So don't draw any branch before you write the word. Apart from the preposition within, the prepositional phrase also has the noun phrase, the boundaries. Therefore, we will expand the noun phrase. It consists of a determiner, that is the, and then the noun, that is boundaries. We are done representing within the boundaries as constituents in phrase structure. Now that we know how to draw rules for the noun phrase, the adjective phrase, the adverb phrase, and the prepositional phrase, it is instructive to note that the adverb phrase, the adjective phrase, and the prepositional phrase can be embedded in a noun phrase, which means that we can write these phrases as constituents within a noun phrase. Let us have an example. Here is an example. The very tall, lanky man with a red bag outside the new building. This is a noun phrase. The noun head is the word man, just as you can see here. And this noun head consists of modifiers and then qualifiers. All the modifiers and qualifiers are describing the noun man. Let us see the constituents within the noun phrase. First of all, we have the noun, which is the head, man. This is the circled head. This head consists of modifiers. So the first modifier or the first constituent within the noun phrase is the determiner, the. Now, the second modifier is very tall. we cannot say that the second modifier is very. This is because very is not modifying man. Very is modifying tall. So it means that it forms part of the adjective phrase over here. So the whole of this is just one constituent. That is an adjective phrase. And this adjective phrase, very tall, is modifying what? Man. So far, we have two constituents. We have one and then we have two. Let us move on. We have lanky. Lanky is also an adjective phrase on its own, and it is modifying what? The noun man. Therefore, we have three constituents over here. This is the third one. The man is the noun head, and it is also a constituent, meaning the noun head becomes constituent number 4. Let us move on. We have two other major constituents within this noun phrase. We have two qualifiers. What are the two qualifiers? First of all, we have the prepositional phrase with a red bag. This makes up another constituent. Constituent number 5. Also, we have another constituent. That is another prepositional phrase which is also modifying the noun head. So outside the building becomes another qualifier. That is another constituent number 6. Now the whole of this is a noun phrase. So that is the largest constituent. And this noun phrase consists of the noun head man. Therefore, we draw a branch to represent the noun head man. Now let us account for the modifiers. We have 3 modifiers. Therefore, we draw our first branch for our determiner, that is there, and then the second branch will be for our adjective phrase very tall. But we can expand this adjective phrase. What does this adjective phrase contain or consist of? It consists of an adverb phrase very. Therefore, we will draw a branch to represent the adverb phrase. This adverb phrase also consists of the adverb very, because as an adverb phrase, here it consists of only one adverb. Therefore, this adverb phrase that is modifying the adjective head tall consists of only one adverb, that is very. We are done representing the second constituent. The third constituent is also an adjective phrase. The third constituent is also an adjective phrase. So we will draw our branch to represent this constituent. But unlike the first adjective phrase that consisted of adverb phrase modifying the adjective head, in this adjective phrase, do we have an adverb phrase modifying it? We do not. Therefore, this adjective phrase consists of a single word adjective. So we will need just one branch to represent the single word adjective, that is lanky. Now we are done accounting for all our modifiers. Let us move on to our qualifiers. We have 2 main qualifiers, meaning we will have 2 immediate branch notes from. The first qualifier is with a red bag. So it forms a constituent within the noun phrase. With a red bag is a prepositional phrase that is modifying the noun head. We can break this prepositional phrase down. Do you remember the formula for breaking down prepositional phrases? Every prepositional phrase consists of a preposition. In our case, with is the preposition. So we have the preposition with, and then the noun phrase a red bag. So we have our preposition with and then our noun phrase. But this noun phrase consists of other smaller constituents. When we take a red bag, it has an article or a determiner a, then an adjective phrase red, and then the noun head which is bag. So we will draw our first branch, then write the determiner a. Now the next modifying phrase is an adjective phrase. The adjective phrase consists of only one word adjective, that is red, and this adjective phrase is modifying the noun head, that is bag. We are done representing the first qualifier, that is the first PP, number 5. Let us draw another branch to represent or to account for this prepositional phrase. We will draw our branch and write our prepositional phrase. Remember, every prepositional phrase will consist of a preposition and then a noun phrase. In outside the new building, outside is our preposition, and then our noun phrase will be the new building. This noun phrase consists of three different constituents: a determiner, an adjective phrase, and a noun. Therefore, we would have three branches: a determiner, that is the; an adjective phrase that consists of a single word adjective, new; and then our noun, which is the head, building. We are done drawing the tree for this noun phrase. Here is an activity. Write down a similar noun phrase structure like this. Try to draw a tree diagram for it, applying all the rules that we've learned on the various phrases. See you in the next lesson.